What is going on today? Peace and love. Well, mail call today. Are you all ready? Kicking it back, taking it slow, being all cool. You know what I'm saying. So, let's get it on. Cool, mail call. And, all right. Here, in a black envelope. Dun, dun, dun. All right. All right. As I unwrap it,
oh, that's a pretty color.
that is good looking with that black clip, and I'll leave it at that. Let me see how I'm going to open this, just in case. I don't cut my fingers off. What do you think, Mr. Announcer?
Yes, do be careful.
I guess you can take them to the ER, couldn't you?
Yes.
Okay.
I'll even videotape it.
Oh, I bet you would, and let everybody check it out. Right. Okay, here we go. Now, one of my viewers sent me a little something, and I'll show it to you and explain just a little bit, and then later when I do a review, you want to stay tuned for it. Why? I don't know. Because that's what we do, right? Okay. That was a close one. Oh, okay. All right, here we go. Here we go. And these are some fountain pens, of course. And they are from Jean Sheridan. All right, thank you, Jean. I'm just trying to get this unraveled here. And what state and city is that from?
Oh, from Des Plaines, Illinois.
All right, Illinois. All right.
I was trying to figure out what was written on the bottom of the envelope, but it got...
Falcon.
No, under the label it got covered up.
I think it's delivered by the Falcon. She uses the Falcon, I believe.
No, it starts off H-A-N and ends with R-E.
R-E. Well, looky here.
Ooh, nice color blue.
Very cool, a beautiful blue. Look at this. Okay, wow. Beautiful, stunning. These are some really cool pens. Right on. All right, so I will have to check these up because one has the black dot on top and the other doesn't. So I will give you more information about these pens in a review, and then who knows, one of these pens will be a giveaway for maybe you, and I will tell you more about that upcoming giveaway when I do the giveaway review. How do you like that? All right, hey, thank you, Jean. Appreciate you. Lots of love and hugs, girl. All right, folks, I'm out of here. I'm done. I'm solid. Take two for like a piece and a back piece and a love and all that jazz like that. And don't text and drive. Talk to you later. Bye.